Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup tax files using Backblaze. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin backing up your tax files using Backblaze, first, download the Backblaze application from the official website. Install the application by following the on-screen instructions. Once the installation is complete, open the Backblaze app. You'll be greeted with a setup wizard. Next, select the option to create a new account. Input your email address and create a secure password. After that, check your email for a verification link from Backblaze. Click the link to verify your account and return to the app. Now, you will see an option to select the files or folders you wish to backup. Find the specific folder where your tax files are stored. This is usually located in your documents or a designated folder. Once you've located the folder, select it for backup. Backblaze offers automatic backup options. You can choose to backup files continuously or at a scheduled time. Next, review your backup settings for any additional configurations you may want. Once everything looks good, click the Start Backup button. The application will now begin backing up your selected tax files. You can monitor the backup progress within the app's interface. After the initial backup completes, your files will be securely stored in the cloud. Remember to periodically check that your backup is up to date. Backblaze will continue to back up your files automatically as changes are made. In case you need to restore your files, open the Backblaze app. Navigate to the Restore section and select the files you want to retrieve. Follow the prompts to download your tax files back to your computer. Your tax documents are now safely backed up using Backblaze for future access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.